Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to explain what the YouTube Community tab is and how and why you should use it. But before I get to that, my name is Dave and I've been an online and social media pastor since 2008, including 7 years at Andy Stanley's North Point Church in Atlanta. And my goal with these videos is to help your church reach more people so you can change more lives. So the Community tab is a feature YouTube rolled out to help people engage with their audience outside of the videos they upload to their channel. Now, to get the Community tab on YouTube, your channel will need to have over 1,000 subscribers, and it can take anywhere up to about a week after passing that number for you to see the Community tab appear. Once you have it though, this becomes a great place for your church to connect with people who watch your video content on YouTube. This is a place where you can post text, URLs, video links, and images, and your YouTube audience can like it, comment, and even share it to their Community tab. I use mine to promote my latest YouTube videos, and I also use it to ask questions of my audience, or even to promote my Instagram content. The Community tab is a great place to promote older videos too, as well as upcoming courses and webinars that your church might be doing. You can also use it to pre-promote any YouTube premieres you have scheduled. So to find the Community tab on desktop, click on a channel name to go to their homepage. From there, click on the Community tab in the middle of the screen. On mobile, make sure you're using the YouTube app. Visit the channel's homepage, then click on the Community tab on the top of their page. So that's the Community tab and how and why you should be using it. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And if you've got any questions about social media, YouTube, or online ministry, make sure you leave them in the comment section down below. I'll see you next time.